YouTube, what's good? YouTube, what's good? What the fuck is up, man? As you guys can see, your boy got his car back, bro. I know it probably didn't seem like it, but I didn't have my car for like a good month and like a week. So like 5 weeks. And it's been the toughest, bro. It's been the toughest challenge, bro. I just want to thank you guys for supporting me so much, man. Supporting the channel, like, it's generally like it's making a big impact in my life to keep being motivated. You know, I gotta thank my family, my lovely girlfriend, my friends, bro. My friends are practically my family by now, bro. And most important, God, bro. God bless me, bro. I'm just going for a cruise session just for you guys, like I normally do, bro. I'm just extremely grateful, bro. I've had my car for maybe what, a day, I think? Yeah, I think a day. I got it back on Saturday. Today's Sunday that I'm recording this. I've had the car for a day already. And like I'm back to trying to make content, man. I'm back. I need to start uploading more often, bro. Once a week or once every 2 weeks is not gonna cut it, man. So right now I'm headed to the car wash because you guys know I love my car wash, all right? I love my car washes. It feels so crazy to be like driving at night again, bro. It feels so good. I miss this feeling, bro. I miss this feeling of driving late at night. But yeah, I'm gonna pull up to the car wash real quick. I'm gonna show you the outcome of the accident, okay? You guys see how this shit sounds? Oh, he turning? Fuck, he's turning. Show y'all something right quick. Turn them off. Peep game. Tell me that shit not fucking hard. I'll show you how the app looks. Alright, that's mode 1. Okay, that's just that, static. Mode 2. It rotates through the colors. Oh, let me fucking like that. Alright. So yeah, it rotates through the colors unless you pick a color here. Alright. Like this blue looks so hard. That's fine, right? That's fine. So that's legal, no? No, you can't see it. Damn. Damn. Talk to him. I'm really here just chilling, bro. I just wanted to show y'all the fucking headlights. And then I might put on my chrome delete real quick. I'm not gonna lie to you. Shit is nice. Oh my god, here's a bridge part real quick. Oh my lord, that shit sounds so good, bro. Damn. I'm at this random parking lot and I got my package here. Got the car here. Look at that. Wow. But no, I'm gonna install this real quick. It's pretty much just gonna turn that right here, that chrome, into black. And then I have custom badges coming in soon. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. All right, man, your boy just finished up. Knocked it out right quick. Look at that. That looks beautiful, bro. It's black. That shit is so hard. I can't wait till I get the custom emblem on the front here and then also in the back. But that looks so aggressive, yo. Fuck. Damn, alright, man. Let me head back in the car and I'll see y'all there. I put the chrome up. Fuck, like what? I'm happy, bro. I look good, yeah, I look good. But Yeah, man, I'm chilling, bro. But yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm about to go get some food. Calm little sesh, you feel me? Calm little video. If you guys haven't known, I do have a TikTok account. Y'all should definitely go follow that. Give me some love and support, man. Appreciate y'all. I miss driving this car, man. I miss driving this car, man. Fuck. I'm just, bro. This car brings me so much therapy. I swear. Oh, I know y'all could have heard that. Okay, that was illegal as fuck, no? Oh my god, I love the way it sounds. Oh my lord, bro, this this exhaust sounds amazing. Bro, you guys gotta get yourself a board, bro. If you have a 2.0 Accord, bro, get yourself a fucking Borla, bro, I swear. It's so worth it, bro. It's so worth it. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you guys think I should do next. I'll be honest, my next mod, once, you know, I actually make that money, you feel me, I will be getting an intake. I think. But yeah, that's what I want to get for my next mod. But what do you guys think, man? I got friends telling me, yo, lower this shit, Lucas. Yo, get bags. Yo, get new wheels. But once again, man, like and subscribe, man. I appreciate all the support. And remember, God is good, people. God is good, man. God is good, man. God is great all day, every day. Like I said, bro. Peace.